Hello students. In today's class, I am going to teach you exponents, squares and cubes. I will tell you what is the meaning of exponents, how to do squares and how to do cubes. Plus, I will teach you some shortcut methods also in this video. So please keep watching this video till end so that you can learn this process completely. Okay, you might have seen the numbers like this: a1. Here 1 is written little bit on the top. This means a raised to the power of 1. These type of numbers are known as exponents. Okay, if if there is a number like a raised to the power of m, like it is here, a raised to the power of m, then we call it as a raised to the power of m. A raised to the power of m. Here in this number, a will become base, a is known as base, m will be known as exponent, or it will be known as power. We can call it as exponent also, we can call it as power also. When we write it as a square, a like this, a raised to the power of 2, it is known as a square. And if we write it as a raised to the power of 3, then it is known as a cube. A cube. Okay, so when we write it as a raised to the power of 1, it means a. For example, if it is 2 raised to the power of 1, it will be only 2. The value will be 2. Okay, if it is a raised to the power of 2, then it will be a into a. Okay, a multiplied by a times a. That is, for example, if it is 2 raised to the power of 2, it will be 2 times 2. 2 into 2, which is equal to 4. Then if it is a raised to the power of 3, it will be a into a into a. Like for example, 2 raised to the power of 3 will be 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8. Answer will be 8, or we can write it as 2 raised to the power of 3 also. If it is a raised to the power of 4, it will be a into a into a into a. So a is multiplied 4 times. A will be multiplied how many times? 4 times. 2 raised to the power of 4 will be 2 into 2, which is 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 2, 16. Next, a raised to the power of 5. Here what will happen? A will be multiplied 5 times. A into a 5 times. For example, 2 raised to the power of 5 will be 2 into 2 5 times. 2 into 2 4. 4 into 2 8. 8 into 2 16. 16 into 2 32. Okay. This is known as exponents, or how to calculate the values when the numbers are written in the form of exponents. Okay, now let me solve some examples. First, like if it is like 3 raised to the power of 2, it will mean 3 into 3, 3 times 3, which is equivalent to 9. If it is written as 5 raised to the power of 3, it will be 5 multiplied by 5, which is 25, multiplied by 5 will be 25. I'll explain to you like this: 5 multiplied by 5 will be 25. Again this 25 will be multiplied with 5. So answer will be 125. In the same way, if the number is 10 raised to the power of 4, it means 10 into 10, 100. 100 into 10, 1000. 1000 into 10, 10,000. So 10,000 we can write in the form of 10 raised to the power of 4 also. There are certain laws of exponents which makes calculation of exponents very easy. Okay, there are many laws, but I am going to explain to you 6 basic laws of exponents which you should know, and if you know this, then calculation while the numbers are in exponents will be very easy. Okay, first law is a raised to the power of m into b raised to the power of m. Here what is happening? A is a different number, b is a different number, but powers are same. So they will become a into b raised to the power of m. All these laws I am going to explain to you in detail with examples. Then second law says a raised to the power of m into a raised to the power of n will be equal to a raised to the power of m plus 1, m plus n. Here see, base is same, a. Both the side base is same, but powers are different. One side m it is and another number it is n. Okay. Sometimes you find numbers like this wrong, like this in the third rule. Here a raised to the power of m bracket raised to the power of n. So that will be a raised to the power of m into n. Okay. Then if it is a raised to the power of m divided by b raised to the power of m. Here what is happening? Base is different in both the numbers, but powers are same in both the numbers. That will be a raised to the power of m divided by b raised to the power of m. How do we solve this further? I will tell you later. Then if the number is like a raised to the power of m divided by a raised to the power of n. Here what is happening? Base is same, power is different. That will be a raised to the power of m minus n. Okay. Next, if it is a raised to the power of 0 and if a is not equal to 0, it will be equal to 1. Okay. I will explain to you later. Now let us study these laws of exponents one by one with examples. Okay. Our first law was a raised to the power of m into b raised to the power of m. Okay. Here base is different in both the numbers. Power is same. So what we do? Multiply both the numbers a into b raised to the power of m. For example, here the number is 2 raised to the power of 2 into 3 raised to the power of 2. 2 is a different base, 3 is a different base. Okay. Power is same. Both are squares. 2 square into 3 square. We can say like that also. What we have to do? Both the bases we have to multiply here. First base is 2 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 2. So both the bases 2 into 3 becomes 6. It is 6 raised to the power of 2 and answer is 6 into 6, 36. Okay. Whether this is correct or not, let us calculate and simplify this and see. 2 raised to the power of 2 is how much? 2 into 2. Okay. Into 3 raised to the power of 2 is how much? 3 square is 3 into 3. Okay, 3 into 3. So 2 into 2, 4 into 3 into 3, 9. And 4 into 9 is 36. Okay, in this way we can get the answers easily if you follow these rules or laws. One more example let us take. 3 raised to the power of 3, that is 3 cube into 5 cube. Okay, here again bases are different. One base is 3, another base is 5, but powers are same, 3. So what we do? Multiply 3 into 5, both the bases. 3 into 5 is how much? 15 raised to the power of 3. The answer comes to 3375. Okay. Next, second rule says a raised to the power of m into a raised to the power of n will be equal to a raised to the power of m plus n. Here what is happening? Base in both the numbers is same, a, but powers are different. On one number it is n and in another number it is n. So here what we do? We keep the base as same and add both the powers. Let us see an example. 2 raised to the power of 2 into 2 raised to the power of 3. So base is 2. Okay, 2 square into 2 cube. What we do? Just keep the base same. 2, our base will be same. Add the powers 2 plus 3. So this becomes 2 raised to the power of 5. Okay, 2 raised to the power of 5 is 32. If you simplify this, you can see 2 into 2 of this 2 square, then 2 into 2 into 2 of 2 cube. How many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 raised to the power of 5. Okay. Or we can say 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 2, 16, 16 into 2, 32. Okay. Let us see another example. 3 cube, 3 raised to the power of 3. 3 cube into 3 raised to the power of 1. So here again bases are same. 3, 3. So we write the base, then add the powers. 3 plus 1. This will be 3 raised to the power of 4, which is 81. Let us move to third law. Okay. Third law says a bracket a raised to the power of m bracket close, a raised power whole number is raised to the power of n. This becomes a raised to the power of m into n. Okay, there are two powers here. First we have a power for a, which is m. Then for entire number, a raised to the power of m is also has a power which is n. So what we have to do, we have to multiply both the powers. Like in this example, see what is happening here. 2 raised to the power of 2, then bracket is closed, that number is raised to the power of 3. So here what we have to do, 2 raised to the power of 2 into 3, which is 6. 2 raised to the power of 6, the answer will come 64. Let me elaborate this. 2 raised to the power of 4 means what? 2 into 2, 4. 4 raised to the power of 3. Okay. 4 raised to the power of 3 means 4 into 4, 16 into 4 will be equal to 64. Okay. Hope you have understood this. Let's move to next one. Now we'll come to divisions. If there is a raised to the power of m divided by b raised to the power of m, here bases are different, a and b, but powers are same. So this becomes a raised to the power of m upon b raised to the power of m. We can also say this as bracket a upon b raised to the power of m. Okay, let's see for example, if it is 4 cube divided by 2 cube, 4 cube divided by 2 cube, then we can write it as bracket 4 by 2 divided by 3. Okay, sorry, raised to the power of 3. Then 4 by 2 is 2. 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8. Let us simplify this and see. 4 into 4 into 4 will be how much? 64. 4 cube is 64 divided by 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. 64 divided by 8 equals to 8. See how easily we can get the answers if we do by following the laws of exponents. Let's move to next law. Fifth law, which says a raised to the power of m divided by a raised to the power of n. Again, base is same, but powers are different, m and n. So here what will happen? We have to simply do a raised to the power of m minus n. Okay, let's solve an example. If the number is 2 raised to the power of 4 divided by 2 square, then we can see that base is same in both the numbers 2 and 2. So we write the base as same, power 4 and 2. So 4 minus 2, it will be 4 minus 2 is 2. So 2 square will be our answer. 2 square is 4. Simply how easily we got the answer. If the same thing we started solving, then what would have happened? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 raised to the power of 4 is 16. Okay. Divided by 2 square, which is 4. 16 divided by 4 is 4. Right? By following the laws of exponents, we can find the answers very easily. Okay. Next, sixth important thing which I want to tell you is a raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. One condition is there. If a is not equal to 0, a should not be equal to 0. So, this basically means that if there is any number which has power as 0, then the resulting number will be 0. If it is 2 raised to the power of 0, the answer will be 1. If it is 5 raised to the power of 0, then also answer will be 1. If it is 8 raised to the power of 0, answer will be 1. 10 raised to the power of 0, answer is 1. 100 raised to the power of 0, answer is 1. So any number, if the power is 0, the resulting number will be 1. Okay, this is about exponents. If you have any doubts, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. I will reply to you. Keep watching my videos so that you can learn basic maths easily. If you have not subscribed to my channel till now, please do subscribe so that you get notifications for my upcoming videos. Thank you.